Okay, get ready for the next one. Where are we? We are here. Where is the bricks? Oh, this is the bricks.
This is how to build.
Okay, build it here. Oh.
Don't.
Put it here. There you go. And then push it. We are building something like this one. Okay, what are we looking for? Here. Push. And another one. Put it on top.
Muna.
Okay.
Pag may mami.
Pag may mami ay
Kidsuna.
Kidsuna. Ay pag ninang. Pag ninang ay sa house lang ano. Where will we put this one? We're gonna put it here at the back. O, push mo dito. And then we're gonna put yung color green. Color green. Is that color green? Put mo ito, oh. Here. Oh, ayun ang instruction, oh. Here on the second hole. Second. Which one is the second? Here, oh, this one. This is first, second. On the second one. Second. And then push. Oh, here, oh, that's the second.
This is second, then first. Second.
And second, you have to put sa second and follow yung instruction. Like this, oh. Second. Huwag ka malikot. Where's the other one? Baka mawala ito. Hindi natin mabubuo. And then this is on the third. Third. Which one is the third? Third hole. Third slot pala. Ayun, oh. Push. And then where is the pink naman daw? Pink. Put the pink on top of the green ano. Here, on top, ayun oh, on top. On top, not on the first one. On top. Oh, ninang na lang, give it to ninang. Here oh, dapat dito sa taas. And another one here.
This is the part. It's so nice.
You like playing with Lego?
So,
Okay.
pops.
Ninang will help you out. And then let's build something like this again. Okay, can you see this? Let's make something like this again. Oh, where is oh, this one first, and then put mo 2 greens. Where will you put the green ones? Copy. You're gonna copy. O, put mo yung green. Put the other green here. Dito. And put the pink on top. And another pink on top. Okay, and then Ethan will put it here on the other side. Push it.
It is low.
It's moving. It's not. It doesn't have a battery.
Small battery.
Okay, and after this one, what are we doing next? We're gonna look for something like this shape. No, it's this one. And the other one. Ay! It's different pala, bro. It's for that one. That's done already. It's here. Okay, next one. We are on number 9. Okay, can you find that shape? This one. The one with long white. And another one. Get another one. And where is something like this one? Mm. There is something like this. Where is it? It's this one and this one. Okay. Oh, fix it. Put it here and put the other one here. Oh, it's like a foot. And you have to put the base first. Okay, put the base here. One here and another one here. Dito. Here, sa board. Here. Put the base. Ayun oh, yung base. Can you see the base? Ayun oh, there's a base here.
This is base.
Here. On this slot. And then put another base here. Other way, you have to flip. This one. Yan. Ganun oh. Put mo dito like this. Okay, and then do the other one here. Okay, next one. You can. How do you put the foot? This one, like this. Oh. How do you put the foot? Like this and like this. Put it here. Okay, and we have to fix it para hindi mag-move. Yun ang is fixing. Okay, what is the next one? This is the next one. Can you find the shape? Is it this one or this one? This one first. Yan. Where do you put that, Ethan? Based on this picture. Here. On this end hole. Yan. Oh, good job. And then, the next one is in here. Here. Look at the picture, oh. Where is it pointing? It's pointing. This is the shape. Can you see the shape? And then the arrow is going here. So you have to put here. Like this. Go push. Okay, next shape. We are here on number 11. Where can you see the pink? Where will you put the pink? This one and this one and this one. Where will you put it? It's on top of the shape like foot. It's here. Ayun oh. Can you see it? Can you see it? It's here. Where will you put the other one? Okay, there you go. Okay, and then what color is this? Purple. Where do you put the purple? Oh, look at the picture oh. It's on. Yeah, good job. And then the other one. Okay, and then find the shape. Okay, fix it first before finding the next one. You have to put it properly first and then push. Push. And then next one, where are we? Where are we na? Oh, find this one. Find this shape. Color gold on this other one. How do you put it? How will you put it? Based on this picture. It should be here, like this. Here. Ayun, oh, it's on the end arrow and circle. Yeah, like that. Huwag mo para hindi mag-move. Okay, and then push. How about the other one? Let me see if it's correct. Okay, that's correct. Oh. It's okay. Let's do. Can you, Okay, okay. Ninang will fix muna and then you can put. Wait for Ninang. Wait for me. Don't put it in your mouth. Huwag malikot. Huwag kang malikot. Para ano. You have to wait for me. I am fixing the bottom. Ninang will put the... Wait lang, wait. You have to wait. Wait for your turn. Ninang found the missing piece. Is it mine? Is it fixed now? Okay, get ready. Okay, you have to push here sa middle para hindi mag-move. Okay, that is done. Where are we now? We are here na. Can you see the instruction? Look for this shape first. This is what we are going to do. This is the first one. And then, get mo daw ito. Put it in. Can you put it? Other way. Ayan. Put it upside down. Shoot. You have to shoot. Shoot. Can you shoot it? Oh. Okay. And then, get another one. Get another one na. That shape daw. This one, oh. Get this shape, oh. Oh, yeah. That's the same. Put it here. Put it here on top. Okay, and then what's the next one? You're gonna get that shape, which is this one. Put it in again. Put it inside. Nina can help you up if you can't do it. Nina will do it. Push it. Push. Okay, I can help you. And then, what's the next one? Get this shape. Where is it? Okay, put it on top. Position properly and then push. Okay, we are here on the next one. Where's the color pink? Here, the pink one. Okay, how do you put it? Look sa picture. Let me see. I will check. Let me see. Let me see. Let me check. This is, you should put it like this. Okay. And then, you're gonna put it, where will you put it here? Where will you put it here? You're gonna put it here. Here. Where is the cone shape? Yung cone. This one, oh, cone-like shape. Where will you put it? Here. Here, oh. Look at dito sa picture. Where will you put it? Okay, that's the correct one. And this is the circle. This is here. Okay, is it done? And then get ready to put it here. It's okay, you can put it back. Let me see. Don't push too hard because it's breaking. Gently and slowly lang. Gently and slowly. Okay, where will you put it?
Slowly.
Oh, I'll do it for you. Okay, and then get ready to put it here. Okay. Oh, put mo muna yung ano dito, yung body. Put it here. Put that body here. And then let's insert this one. Dito yan, dito. Oh. Oh, put mo na like this, oh. And then, we're gonna put this one, oh. That I like this muna. It is moving kasi, ano.
Moving.
Oh, diba? And then we're gonna make another one, something like that. Okay, we're gonna do it now. This one naman. Are you ready to do it? Look for this shape. And then, this. Put it in. Can you do it? If not, Nina will help you out. Oh no, the white one is missing. Ay, it's here. Oh. Put it in again. Shoot. Nina will help you out. I can help you. Okay, and then put it on top. And then, you're here. You're here. Oh, what's the next one? Next is color pink. Position mo. Position it like this. And then, copy the shape. Copy the shape. You see? Ganyan, like this. Okay. And then, get the cone shape. It's on the tip of the mouth. And then, put the... Napaganda pa muna ang toy. And then, we're gonna put it here in the entrance. Okay. Ninang will do it kasi it's moving. Ano? Okay. Don't push too hard because it's breaking. Okay, I can... Okay. Oh, put it here. Siya na nga nagbubuo. Oh, put it here. Oh, shoot mo na dito. Oh. Okay. And then, let's put it here. How do you put it? Huwag mag... Ayan. Take ka lang. Wait lang. Let us go. We're going to... Oh, this is the correct position. Okay, where are we now? We're here naman. We are here. Oh, get this shape. Where is it? Oh, this one. And then this one. Can you see it? It's this one. And this one. Oh, what's the next? Yellow and another yellow. Put the yellow here and yellow. Oh, start with the pink. Like this. Oh. Push. Push mo. Position and then push.
Kid 4. This is kid 4.
And then you're gonna put your orange. Okay, what's the next one? The next is shape. Where are the shapes? It's this one and this one. Okay, put it here on top. Ninong will like it up properly. So you can insert. Okay, put it here on top. Okay. And then put it down. Let's see the next one. Oh, here. Where do you put this? Okay. Ninang will teach you. Okay. Position the block. Oh, position it like this. Like the picture. Oh, this is this part. The bottom one. And then, look at here. Oh, look at this one. Move a little. Oh, like this daw, oh. Yung sa picture. At the end, you can put it here. Other way. Ba't nakalabas ito? Ayun, oh. Oh, diba? And then put the other one. There's another one. How do you put it? Okay, and then the next one, where are we now? Oh, it's this shape. How do you put this shape and this one? Oh, that's correct na. That is correct. Tamo. Let me see. Let's check now. Is this incorrect? Edit is 4, 4. And then, we have to put this first. O, put mo muna ito. Put this first. Over here pa pala, oh. And then, we're gonna put this too. And the other one. And then, get ready to put that. Where will you put it, Ethan? Now, look at the picture. Oh, like this na, oh. Tama sa picture, oh. Position the block and then copy the picture. Oh, not like that. Oh, tama, oh. Oh, tama, oh. This is the position of this bottom one, like this. And then, you're gonna copy that one on top, like this, oh. Oh, where do you put that part? And then push. And then, the next one is this. Where will you put it? Look at the picture, this one. It's in the center. Position like this. And then, put it in. Yan. And then push. Push. Okay, and which one next? This one. Color pink. Find it. Okay, and then we're gonna put it here. Where do we put it? We're gonna put it here. Like this. It's pointing there. So we're gonna put it here. Put mo na dito. Here daw.
My therapy.
Yes. A teacher.
Good job, bro. We're done.
Next is exit.
Ay, wala na tayo. Lola will buy another one.
Okay, pasensya.
Ay, picture ka muna. Dali.